Today I am going to describe this picture. ছবি দেখে বাক্য তৈরি করার শেখার মাধ্যমে স্টুডেন্টদের মধ্যে ইংরেজিতে বাক্য তৈরি করার একটি দক্ষতা বৃদ্ধি পাবে, তাদের স্পিকিং স্কিল দক্ষতা বাড়বে এবং তারা বিভিন্ন রকম বাক্য তৈরি করার স্ট্রাকচার শিখতে পারবে. So I am going to describe this picture around 10 sentences. This picture is drawn by Tahsin Biba, the student of class 7 at Master Kindergarten School from Bakhtarpur, Kaliganj, Gazipur. This is a nice, beautiful picture. This picture shows the natural scenario. Most of the people live or like to live in Dhaka or various cities, but they love to the village life. There is a big jackfruit tree with lots of jackfruits. The day is a sunny day because the sun is shining with anger. Next one I would like to say in other sentences. Okay, number 6, a farmer is going to his house or hut. The road is slippery. There is a nice flower garden in front of the house. The village is situated beside a river. The water of the river is so clean. I think there is a forest against the river. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching. Lot of thanks for being with us.